So hello everyone, welcome to NEET World. So today we will be continuing our discussion on organic chemistry IUPAC nomenclature. So in the last class I have started naming organic compounds using IUPAC rules. Okay, so I have discussed it from very basic, like what we can call as, like how we can call organic compounds, what are the names, different types of naming, like trivial names, IUPAC names. We have trivial names or common names comes from their origin. Okay, all these things were discussed. Okay, and using some basic rules I have given the names of some compounds also. For example, here this kind of compounds I have mentioned yesterday. So now can you answer me what is the name of this compound? What is the name of this compound? Tell me. So identify longest parent chain first of all. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 carbons means decane. Okay, and after that we have substituents at 2, 4, 6. So we can say 2, 4, 6 tri methyl decane. Okay, like this I have given different compounds I have asked for the naming of those compounds. Now we'll practice little more on this. See, I have two chains. Identify, I have 1 and 2. So identify longest hydrocarbon chain first out of these two. Both of them are having equal number of carbons, but I want longest chain, like parent chain. I mean both of them are having equal number of carbons. I want parent chain. Which one is the parent chain out of these two? Second one. Why second one? Because look at the substituents here, 1 and 2. Two substituents are there. For this you have only one substituent. So whenever you have same number of carbons in the chains, you have to take the parent chain that is having more number of substituents. So this is having 6 as a parent chain and substituents are 2. Like this is ethyl, this is methyl. So now what is the name of this compound? See, I am starting from here numbering because our substituent should get lowest number. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the name of this compound then?
3 ethyl.
See, here you have 2 methyl and 3 ethyl. Alphabets which comes first? Ethyl, E. So its position is 3. So 3 ethyl, 2 methyl. Next 6 hexane. That's it. This is the name of the given compound. Is this clear? Right. Next. So when both the directions lead to tie in the lowest number, choose the direction that gives first point of difference. It means I have two compounds here. So what is the correct way of numbering it? See here, first one I am starting from here so that it will be getting lowest number to the substituents. What is the numbers for lowest the substituents? At second position we have two substituents. So I can say 2, 2 because second position. Okay, and 4. And this side if you observe, if I number from here, the substituents is getting 2, but 1, 2, and at fourth position we have
4.
At fourth position we have two substituents, means that is 4, 4. So now tell me which is the proper numbering here? First one, because see 2 and 2, this is same. But next number if you see, this is 2, that is also followed, but you can say this is first point of difference. Just look at the next number, this is 2, this is 4, which is smaller number? Yeah, so it means this is the perfect way of numbering. So what is the name of this compound now? It will be 5 means pentane, 2, 4 tri methyl hexane. Right? Next. What about this? 5 carbons are there. Okay. Pentane. Next, this one. Tell me for this. What is the name of this compound? Is that numbering is correct for identifying parent chain? Yes, because we know first rule is you have to choose your parent chain which is longest. If number of carbons are same, then you have to choose the chain which is having more substituents. Now this will be having more substituents here. Okay, then next tell me. See, even if I come from here 1, 2, 3, this is also giving 7 only. This is also giving 7 only, but I am choosing from above side because it has 1, 2, 3. 3 substituents I have. That's why I am choosing this as a parent chain.
So we'll get only 6.
How? This is 3 plus 4, 7. Now tell me, what is the IUPAC name for this? Fast.
3,
At third position ethyl, at fourth position butyl, propyl, at second position methyl. Now follow alphabetical order while writing the names of substituents. Which alphabet comes here? E comes first. So 3 ethyl, capital letter. Then next
2
methyl propyl, M comes first. Next 2 methyl. Next 4 propyl. 4 propyl heptane. Clear? Next. Can you give me the name for this compound? You can write, very easy. Identify parent chain first. The longest one. See, here this will be the longest one. Even if I come from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here if I go from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both are same. Okay. So, anyways, 9 carbons are there means that will be our parent chain. And now, what about this? This is substituent right now. But how you will write the name of the substituent? So now this is substituent. Na? At what position we have? 5th position. Again number this. Again identify the chain here. So 1, 2, 3. At second position you have 2 methyl groups. Right now. So now when you are writing the name of a complex compound like this. So first this is again sub branch is there now. So now write on this parent chain at what carbon we have this one sub chain at 5th position. So 5, open the bracket. So 1, 2, 3. So at second position 2, 2 dimethyl, and this is over. Next this is the chain now, sub chain this one only now. So dimethyl propyl, over. Complete naming is over for this chain. Close the bracket. Propyl, and now you can write this. Propyl nonene. Is this clear or not? Very simple. Right. Kalyan, good evening. Yeah. You are, yes. This is really nice. You told yesterday that I will join the class every day. You are coming regularly. Right. So maintain this every day. Definitely will improve. Okay. I hope this is clear. If this is clear, we'll move forward. So now, here if you see, look at this. What is name of this compound? This one first. 4 carbons are there means butane. Okay. Now this is also having 4 carbons means that is also butane. But how can we call it as butane? See, it's a straight chain. You can call it as N-butane. What is that? N-butane. This is also having 4 carbons. You should call it as isobutane. You can call isobutane, or IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 now. So at second position you have methyl. So 2 methyl propane. What is this? 2 methyl propane is IUPAC name, or you can say isobutane. Okay, right. Yeah. So now, so now if you look at this compound, you have two substituents. One is here, that is what? How many carbons are there? 1, 2, ethyl. And you have one more substituent at this 5th position. So what is the name of this compound, you tell me? Numbering is correct or not? Starting from here to ending here, 10. So 10 means decane. At second position, third position or fourth position we have ethyl, and at 5th position you have this group. What is the name of this group, I told you? So now we can use any of these two names. Either I can use isobutane or I can use 2-methyl propane for this substituent. IUPAC name also. So now, but what we know, for writing the substituents we should follow alphabetical order. So which comes first here, E or I? E comes first. So you can write 4-ethyl, next 4-ethyl, after that 5, open the bracket, or 5 isobutyl, isobutyl, next parent chain, decane. Or you can also have one more name. What is that? 4-ethyl. Next, at 5th position we have a complex chain. Now open this bracket. See, now I am numbering this as 1, 2, 3. At second position what we have? On this subchain, methyl. So open the 5, open the bracket. At 5th position we have this subchain, 2-methyl. You should not say propane, it should be propyl. 2-methyl propyl. Like here also I am not saying butane, I am saying butyl, because one hydrogen is removed and connected to carbon. So butyl. Okay. So propyl over, this complete chain is over, close the bracket now. Then next, decane. Okay. So now out of these two, which is correct? See, both of them are correct. But pure IUPAC name if they ask, this one, second one will be preferred. Okay. I hope this is clear. 4-ethyl, 5, 2-methyl. Yeah, Kalyan, the way you tried it is correct, but you missed one substituent here. See, 4-ethyl, 5-methyl, open the bracket, 2-methyl. Then next, after 2-methyl, you have skipped this propyl. So you need to add propyl into your name, I mean to the name of that compound, whatever you have written in the comment box. Okay, fine. Let's move forward with few more things. Yeah, those who are new to this channel, you just click on the subscribe button and you can join the classes regularly and you will get daily updates from our side also. So do not forget to click on the subscribe button, and if you like the content you can just click on the like button at the end. Okay, yes. We'll move forward here. Yeah. See now, how can we select parent chain when we have functional groups like this? See, whenever we have functional groups like multiple bonds are there, like we know alkane, alkene, alkyne we are saying now. See here, I have a double bond here. This I can call it as alkene now. What is it? Alkene. So now, whenever we have double bond, the maximum number of multiple bonds are there now, that will be prioritized first. That should be taken as parent chain. Okay. So it means what is our parent chain now, tell me? It's not about counting number of carbons here. It's not like maximum number of carbons. It's not like maximum number of substituents. What I am saying? First, whenever you have double bond, prioritize that first. It means you start numbering from here, the terminal carbon of double bond. So 1, 2. So which side I should go now? If I go left side, you will get only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I go right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now which is longest one? Yes. So this will be the perfect way of numbering. Is this clear or not? Right. After numbering like this, now tell me what is the name of this compound? You can write. See, 6 carbons are there means hex. Double bond if it is there means ene we should write. If single bonds only, sigma bonds only, ane. Double bond means ene. Triple bond, ine. So it is ene. hexene, but at second position you have this group. What is the name of that group? See, I'm writing 2 in the bracket. At second position I'm going like I'm writing 1, 2, 3. At second position of this parent chain, that is what 2, and first carbon you have methyl, propyl, close the bracket. Next hexene. You can say hex 1ene, or if it is at first carbon you just ignore that number, hexene. Is this clear or not? Yeah, screen become blur, so I can click here. Wait. Let me check. Yeah, it's clear now. Yeah, I think everything is clear now. Whenever it is blur, you just write in the chat box. I will make it correct. Okay? Yeah. So is this clear or not? So whenever you have double bond or triple bond, multiple bonds are there, you need to select your parent chain that must include that multiple bond. Okay? Then only you can prioritize the longest parent chain. Okay? Parent chain must include multiple bond, and lowest number should be given to the multiple bond. Okay? For example, what is the name of this compound? From where we should write?
From right side.
See, from this side if I number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me which is correct way of numbering. Even if I come from here, our double bond double bonded carbon is getting number 3. Even if I come from here, double bonded carbon is getting number 3. So it means we can go from this side. Why only from this side? Because at second position you also having like substituent. So this side if I go from this side, your substituent is getting lower number, our functional group also getting minimum lower number possible. Right now, so going from this side is perfect. So tell me what is the name of this compound? 2-methyl. Next 2-methyl, 6, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means hex. Okay, methyl hex, 2-methyl hex. What is the position of double bond? 3. Hex 3-ene. That's it. This will be the name. Clear? Right. Whenever we have functional groups. So what do we mean by functional group? Yesterday I have discussed about functional groups. First of all,
Yesterday there was class.
yes.
Friday.
Yeah. After 6:15. Okay. Look at this. Nomenclature of organic compounds with functional group. So what do we mean by functional groups? Functional group means it is an atom or group of atoms. Group of atoms that decide the characteristic property of a compound. For example, I am writing CH2, CH3, here OH. Now you are saying this compound has alcohol, ethanol, like ethanol. So the property of this compound is decided or characterized by this OH group. It means now this OH group is called its functional group. Okay, similarly I am writing same number of carbons, CH3, CH2, COOH. Okay, now look at this. This compound is called carboxylic acid or propanoic acid if I want to say. So its characteristic property is decided by this set of group. So now this compound is acidic due to presence of this COOH. So I can say this is a group deciding the characteristic property of this compound. I can say this is the functional group.
Yes.
Okay. So what I am saying, functional group means it atom or group of atoms which decides the characteristic property of a compound. Okay. So now what is the name of this compound, they will ask. Like see how many carbons are there, 1, 2. If 2 carbons are there means eth.
Yes.
And what is the functional group? OH, alcohol. So name the suffix, if we have alcohol as a functional group, the suffix should be written as ol. What is that? Ol. And if we want to write a prefix for like alcohol, it should be hydroxy. Okay? And we have only one functional group now. So whenever we are writing name of a organic compound, that functional group name should be written as a suffix. It means what is our word root here? Parent chain is ethanol, and it's an alkane now, ethane. Ethane. Here we have alcohol means suffix is what? Ol. Ethane, ol we are writing. See, whenever we have ovals like A, E, I, O, U, if they are repeating, just remove this E from this parent chain. So we should write it as ethanol. Ethanol. Okay. For this carboxylic acid, what is the suffix we should write? Oic acid. What I am saying? Oic acid. When to say oic acid? The carboxylic carbon is there now. If that is also included in the parent chain. See now how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbons means propane. So propane, the suffix of this compound is oic acid.
Prefix is
Carboxy. Carboxy. Okay. Next. Now see, whenever we have different functional groups, I mean multiple functional groups are there, always remember there is a priority order to identify which functional group should be given first priority. It means which should be taken as principal functional group, that is a suffix at the end of the name, and remaining all functional groups are written as substituents like a prefixes. Okay. Now we have a priority order to answer that. Okay. So while writing the name, you have to give priority first for the selection of parent chain. That is what? First main functional group chain. Okay. Then next maximum number of multiple bonds should be there, and next priority is maximum number of carbon atoms, and least is maximum number of substituents. So but whenever we have functional group, give numbering first to the main functional group. Okay. Now how can we decide main functional group? Just hold on for a few minutes, I will show you. Okay. Before that, you just try to write the names for this. We have what is this functional group? Like if we have like this, it is called aldehyde. What is that? Aldehyde. Okay. So for this aldehyde, you should write suffix as al, and prefix as formyl or oxo. What is the prefix? Formyl, or sometimes aldo also mentioned. Don't worry. Now tell me how many carbons are there? 1, 2. Our carbon like aldehyde is a functional group now.
Yes.
So what is its prefix? Suffix? Al. So ethane al. That's it. What about this one? If I have OSH, I can say the suffix as thiol. What is the suffix? Thiol. And prefix is mercapto. What is that? Mercapto. Okay. So now we have only one functional group now. So the name should end with thiol. So how many carbons? 1, 2. So ethane, thiol. Ethane, thiol. Now what about this compound? This one. It is having C double bond O, both side alkyl groups. So it should be called as ketone. What is it? Ketone. So the suffix of this ketone is one, like one, and prefix will be written as keto or oxo. What is the prefix? Keto or oxo. Sir, when to use keto, when to use oxo, I will tell you. Okay. So now name of this compound, just tell me, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our functional group is at third carbon. Carbon is also included in here, carbonyl compound, carbonyl. So pentane, what is the position of our group? 3. Pentane 3 one. Or you can write 3 pentanone. Both ways are correct. Okay, clear? Kalyan, prefix for sulfur, I mean SH group is mercapto. Right. Let's move forward. Look at these compounds. See, if I have CH3, CH2, NH2. Now what is our functional group? NH2 is a functional group attached to 2 carbons. 2 carbons means ethane. So you can call ethane namine. Okay, what about this one now?
Propanamide.
But what is the position of amine group?
2 propanamide.
1, 2, 3. So you can say 2 propanamine.
So prefix.
What do you need prefix?
Of amine.
Amine prefix is amino.
Amine.
Okay. Next, what about this one? To the nitrogen atom, if it is like NH2 type, it means only one alkyl group is present on nitrogen, you should say it as primary amine. What is that? Primary. If nitrogen atom is connected to 2 carbons like this, secondary. If it is connected to 3 carbons, tertiary. Now tell me what about this nitrogen? Primary, because it is connected to only 1 carbon. Should be like NH2 form, primary. If it is NH form, secondary. If it is N form, tertiary. Okay. So now this is a secondary amine now. Now you should write N methyl. What is the chain? 3 propanamine. See, you need to indicate the methyl group is connected to nitrogen. This capital N indicating that this methyl group is connected to nitrogen of amine group. If two methyls are there, means that becomes tertiary na. You should write NN, it means N comma N dimethyl. Okay, NN dimethyl propanamine. Is this clear? That will be in the case of tertiary amine. Okay, right. Right. So now you are clear with some of these functional groups and their naming. Now see, when an organic compound contains 2 or more different functional groups, what I told you, if there are 2 or more functional groups. For example, I am saying here this is what functional group we have? Carboxylic acid. And here I am writing OH group. Alcohol OH means this is carboxylic acid. So 2 functional groups are there or not in the given compound? Yes. Now out of these 2 functional groups, which is prioritized? Which is from where I should start numbering? That is what we need to follow priority order. It means whenever we have multiple functional groups in the given organic compound, we need to follow some rule. That is what priority rule. Based on priority rule, functional groups are arranged with most priority to the least priority. Okay, it means in that priority order, carboxylic acid is most prioritized. It means we should start our numbering from carboxylic acid side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. See, first identify highest priority group, and that highest priority group should be used as a suffix. Okay, and the next other functional groups whatever might be there. So here we have OH group. Okay, that should be written as substituents. Write them as a prefix. So now tell me, what is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. So we have 3 what? At third position what we have? OH group. OH means what? What is the prefix I told you? For OH alcohols means hydroxy. 3 hydroxy. Done. 3 hydroxy. Next 4 carbons are there means butane. What is the suffix for carboxylic acid? Oic acid. Butane oic acid. That's it. This will be the name. Okay, clear? Right. Next. Now, for more clarity, I have collected all functional groups. The important functional group that is required for us. See, carboxylic acid, COOH means, next sulfonic acid, next acid anhydride, ester, acid halide, like this. I have all functional groups here, important functional groups.
So is it according to priority?
Huh?
Is it according to priority?
Yes. Now, the choice of principal functional group is based on their priority order. So, this is a priority order. Now, how to remember, sir, this priority order? I will tell you one trick also for that. But try to remember as it is. Because again, tricks also make sometimes, if you take longer time gap, you will forget that. Okay, practice more number of questions. It will be stays in your mind anyways. Okay, so now carboxylic acid prefix will be used as carboxy and suffix is oic acid. Sulfonic acid, sulfo is the prefix, sulfonic acid will be the suffix. For ester, acid anhydride, sometimes it is mentioned as carboxy, but here not mentioned, and oic anhydride will be the suffix. Next, esters, you should be written as alkoxycarbonyl for prefix, and suffix will be OAT, and acid halides called as halocarbonyls as prefix, and suffix will be oil halide. For amides, carbamyl is a suffix prefix, and amide will be suffix. Like that, cyano is a prefix for nitriles like CN, and nitrile will be the suffix. Okay, and for isonitrile it means like CN, NC. NC called as isonitrile, this is called as isocyano prefix and isonitrile suffix. Cyano, isocyano, nitrile, isonitrile, like that. Okay, aldehyde, formyl or oxo, we discussed already, al, and for ketones, oxo, keto or one. For alcohols, hydroxy, ol, suffix. Next, for thiols, thiols, SH means mercapto or thiol. For amines, you can use amino or amine. Okay, so now how can I remember, sir? Just read this. Read this once. Clever students always enjoy having amazing nights in a kind old town after tea and milk. Okay, so just see, clever students means you just make it yourself, like clever students always enjoy amazing nights. Yes, everyone will enjoy that. In a kind old town after having tea. At evening time we will take tea, na? Like that you can connect, or otherwise you can make your own mnemonic in whatever the language you want. Okay, so just see, clever, what is the letter starts here? C means what? Carboxylic acid. Student, S means sulfonic acid. Again always A, acid anhydride. Enjoys, E, esters. Next what we have? Halides, having, acid halides. Next, amazing, amide. Nights, nitrile. In, isonitrile. Okay, and next aldehydes, A, ketones, K, old, this one alcohol. Okay, next town, thiol. And next what we have? Amines, like here you can take after means A, amine, or whatever you want, you can remember. Okay, this is the one of the way to remember. Again I have given same order here. Now, sir, we have other functional groups also now, something like nitro group. Yes, nitro group is also functional group, but that cannot be written as suffix. It's always mentioned as a prefix. For example, here I have nitro group, here I have chloro group, okay, and here I have methyl group. Tell me the name of this compound. Yes, sir, is it for class 11th and 12th? See, this is for both, even for repeater also, because without IUPAC name you can't perform anything in organic right now. Even if you got a product, you need to able to answer, identify its IUPAC name, because if in the exam write the IUPAC name of the product formed, they ask like this. Without knowing these rules, we can't identify them, right? Yeah. So tell me this, what is the name of this compound? From where I should start? This is a carbon now. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So tell me. See, 2 chloro. Chloro, like alphabet is C. Nitro, N. Methyl, M. Which comes first? C. So it means 2 chloro. Next, 3 methyl. Next, 1 nitro. Sorry, all letters, all alphabets should be small except the first one. Okay, nitro. Next 5 carbons means pentane. That's it. This is the IUPAC name. Okay, so now instead of all these things like maybe halogen, maybe alkyl group, maybe nitro group, maybe alkoxy group, maybe nitroso group, if any of this group is present, write them always as a prefixes. Okay, and previously discussed functional group must be written as suffix and prefix based on their priority order, right? Next, write the name of this compound. Okay, we'll try this. Tell me for this first. Tell me for this. Kalyan, you should follow alphabetical order. Should not be written. Nitro numbering is perfect, chloro numbering is perfect, but they are not represented in alphabetical order. So try to write them in alphabetical order as I mentioned on the board. Next, tell me here.
6 oxo.
This is carboxylic acid, this is aldehyde. Which functional group is more prioritized?
Carboxylic.
Clever student, starts from carboxylic acid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now tell me, the aldehyde functional group is also counted in the parent chain. If we count the if they count the carbon of aldehyde in the parent chain, the aldehyde should be represented as oxo. What I am saying? So what is the position of that aldehyde? 6. So I can write 6 oxo. Next, 6 oxo hexane oic acid. That's it. So that's what this mentioned here. I mentioned the statement. Oxo is used as a prefix when carbon of CHO is included in the parent chain, or else formyl is used. Okay, is this clear? Now one last example for this session. Tell me from where I should start numbering.
Left side.
See, from left side. Why left side?
Because
Both side carboxylic acids are fine, but aldehyde is a substituent here. So this side is closer. So one substituent is getting lower number, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, did this carbon like aldehyde carbon is counted in the parent chain? No, it is being separately. So you should call it as carbaldehyde also. Formyl also, but some we can say okay. So we can say 2 formyl. What is the chain here? How many carbons are there? Pent, noic, pentane. How many carboxylic acids are there? 2. Here and here. Pentane,
Dioic acid.
pentane,
1,5
formyl, 1,5 pentane, dioic acid. Or you can write pentane 1,5 dioic acid. That is also fine. Okay, is this clear? Everything is perfect here, right? So if you can just try to name this compound, we will discuss about this in the next class. Okay, right. So now those who are watching live, you can also try for these compounds. We will discuss in the next class. Those who are watching live, if you really like the content, just click on the like button. And now you will be having botany class in continuation to this. Okay, so if you are preparing for NEET, you can join same botany class after this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay connected with this NEET world. Thank you.